Good morning, student. Myself Kher Singh from Jayotri Academy. Today we will discuss class 9 subject SST Economics chapter 2nd Pupil as a Resource. Firstly, we'll discuss technical unemployment. It refers to when owing to change in technology, when any technical changement will occur thereafter it will be effect to the people that it is called technical unemployment. When computer reduces the need for labor in an economy, this leads to technical unemployment. Suppose in technical unemployment, if computer reduces people effort and change in technology affect labor, if computer will be introduced, thereafter computer can work for the thousand of the people, thereafter that people have been unemployed due to the computer. So technical, it is called technical unemployment. Thereafter, magnitude of unemployment in India. It can be magnitude can be measured in two ways. It will be conducting sample survey and population census. The sample survey means when different people have been collect a analysis that what are happening, how many people have been employed, and population census, those have been in every 10 years. So information provide the employment exchange. Different types of information collected by the government or their different departments, it is called magnitude of unemployment of India. It will be measured. Thereafter, step for solving the problem of educated unemployment. Different types of steps have been taken by the solving of the educated unemployment. Firstly, proper man power planning solve the educated unemployment. It means real assessment to manpower required in economic sector. If proper planning will be not implemented, thereafter educated unemployment problem cannot be solved. So the proper utilization of manpower must be enhance the economic sectors, especially in tertiary sector. So school, college, university and professional institute must be properly designed. They must be give the syllabus or their vocational training for the helpful for the job of the student. When student complete the study, thereafter he find the job according to their suitability or according to their knowledge, quality and their effort. Thereafter, factors responsible for unemployment of India. Different in rapid growth of population. Population have been grow very fastly in 1951, 361 million, and in 2001 it will be increase in 1027 million. So it is the slow economic growth and employment opportunity will be decreased. So and over dependence on the agriculture. When all the people have been depend on agriculture, thereafter how it is possible to make a more and more profit, and how the economic growth will be enhanced. Thereafter, the cottage and small industry have been not provide better supports, and they have been some seasonal unemployment. So they have been big problems. Thereafter, underdevelopment industry, very less capital, very less amount is provided, that's why he cannot survive properly. Thereafter, disadvantage of unemployment. Poverty is one of the most important problem. People do not have enough money to support their family. People have been no money, thereafter he fulfill the dreams of their family. Wastage of resources. Many of the resources have been wasted. That is also a disadvantage of unemployment. And increase in dependent population. More and more people have been dependent. When we have been depend on population and population have been not helpful, thereafter it is increase economic overload. Thereafter, poor quality of life. Many of the people have been survive in very poor quality of life. They have been not good resources they have been, because due to they have been not money, and if they have been no money, thereafter he cannot survive. So thereafter, employment scenario in three sector. In primary sector, mostly agriculture, people have been doing work as a labor in agriculture area. And in secondary sector, small scale manufacturing units and different types of other industrial sector have been involved in this sector. And in tertiary sector, different types of new innovations, biotechnology, information technology that have been introduced, and they have been provide the different types of employment condition have been generated. Okay, thank you very much.